Well, I'm here at the ChyronHego stand here at IBC 2019, one of two videos that we're doing here, so don't forget to check out the other video. This particular one, we're talking to Kyle. Hi, Kyle.
How you doing?
Yeah, not too bad. We're looking at an update to Prime, so tell us about that.
Yeah, so this is the Prime 3.5, and right now we have new updates with the keyboard functionality as well as Photoshop import. So the scene that you're looking at right now is some sort of memory game like you would play as a kid, and so we can trigger different actions and they're going to reveal player headshots. Okay. So if I trigger, you can see on the keyboard we have different reveals, so if I trigger 1, it's going to reveal player 1, and then if I reveal player 6, which is the same headshot, you're going to trigger the same headshot and it's going to match it. The nice thing about what we have with the keyboard is that I have it set to actually disable those keys, so it removes any error possibility from the operator triggering another action. We can also do fast recall with the numeric keypad, so we can load and play, and then we can actually play to air with one key of the button. So with the Photoshop import, we're going to go to our editor, apply our group layer to our scene, find our Photoshop file, Photoshop effects, navigate to the import, find the actual file you actually want to import, open it, text only, we'll import it to our canvas. And now we have the Photoshop file with all its layers and the text objects separately. So I can say, instead of quarterbacks, maybe running back. So saves the graphic artist a lot more time, so you can get to designing right away.
Kyle, that's great. Now it's the first time we've seen this. What's the availability of this update?
Looking around November.
Brilliant. If people weren't able to come and see you here at IBC, they want to find out more about this update and all your other software and functionality you have here, is there a website they can go to?
It's going to be ChyronHego.com.
Thank you very much, Kyle. There you go. Updates to Prime this year at IBC 2019. Don't forget to check out the other video we've done here at ChyronHego, and for more, well, that's at our website, KITPLUS.com.